Want to protect your brain from dementia? These 5 surprising drinks could be your secret weapon. Stay tuned to find out what to drink for a sharper, healthier mind. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's essential for everyone's well-being: drinks that can help protect your brain from dementia. It might surprise you, but the drinks you enjoy every day can actually play a key role in keeping your mind sharp and healthy as you age. We're going to explore 5 beverages that have been scientifically shown to support brain function and possibly lower your risk of cognitive decline. So make sure to stick with us until the end to find out how these drinks can make a significant difference in maintaining your brain health for the long run. You might be asking yourself, can something as simple as a drink really help protect my brain from dementia? Well, the answer is a definite yes. Certain drinks are loaded with essential nutrients and compounds that can support brain health, boost memory, and even slow the aging of your brain. The best part? These drinks are not just theories. They're backed by research, and they can truly have a positive impact on your cognitive well-being. So let's jump into the drinks that could make a real difference for your brain and help you stay sharp for years to come. Can drinking a cup of green tea really help protect your brain from dementia? Green tea is an excellent drink for supporting brain health. It's packed with potent antioxidants known as catechins, which play a crucial role in protecting your brain cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm brain cells and are linked to cognitive decline over time. The catechins in green tea help neutralize these harmful free radicals, providing an extra layer of defense for your brain. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea also contains compounds that promote better blood circulation to the brain, which is essential for improving cognitive function. This increased blood flow helps boost memory and may even help prevent the brain from shrinking as we age. By incorporating green tea into your daily life, you're not only nourishing your brain, but also taking steps to support long-term cognitive health. Drinking green tea regularly helps protect your brain and keep it healthy, enhances memory, and helps combat the effects of aging. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that offers powerful health benefits. Now that we've covered a drink that's easy to incorporate into your day, let's explore something that's both sweet and refreshing, bringing even more health advantages into your life. Blueberries are small, but they have a big impact on your brain health. These little berries help protect and boost your mind in amazing ways. Blueberries are full of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help protect your brain from inflammation and damage. These antioxidants support brain health by encouraging the growth of new brain cells and improving communication between existing ones. Blueberries not only protect the brain, but also improve short-term memory. Studies show that eating blueberries regularly can slow down brain aging and memory loss. The best part? You can easily add them to your daily meal plan by blending them into a smoothie. For a little extra boost, mix in Greek yogurt, almond milk, and flax seeds to create a tasty, brain-healthy snack. You can improve your health by adding blueberry smoothies to your daily routine. You're giving your brain the nutrients it needs to improve memory and boost its ability to process and store information. Now let's shift to another drink that has a rich, long history. This beverage has been valued for its health benefits for hundreds of years, and it's still cherished today for the positive effects it can have on your body. How can a spice like turmeric help keep your brain healthy? Let's take a closer look at this golden drink and see how it works. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a natural compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation in the brain is linked to various cognitive problems such as Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin can help reduce this inflammation, which is important for maintaining a healthy brain. Additionally, curcumin has been found to encourage the growth of new brain cells, which can help protect against memory loss and other issues that come with aging. To get the most benefits from turmeric, try making a turmeric latte. By adding a small amount of black pepper, you can increase the absorption of curcumin, making it even more powerful in supporting brain health. A turmeric latte isn't just a soothing drink, it can also help reduce brain inflammation. This is important because brain inflammation can lead to problems with memory and focus. The compounds in turmeric also support the growth of healthy brain cells, which is key to keeping your mind sharp and clear. So this simple drink does more than refresh you. It's a great way to boost your brain health and support better mental performance. Whether you're working on a task or just trying to stay focused, a turmeric latte can help your brain stay in top shape. Now, let's talk about a drink that's more than just a refreshing treat. It could also enhance your cognitive performance. Beetroot juice may not be the first thing that comes to mind for boosting brain health, but it's actually great for improving brain function. Research shows that it can help improve brain function and even lower the risk of diseases like dementia. Beetroot juice is packed with nitrates, which are natural compounds that boost blood flow to the brain. When more blood flows to your brain, it delivers more oxygen and essential nutrients to brain cells, allowing them to work better and more efficiently. This extra blood flow leads to improved cognitive performance, better memory, and greater focus. Simply put, drinking beetroot juice can make a real difference in how your brain functions every day. By adding beetroot juice to your daily routine, you're doing more than just staying hydrated. You're helping boost blood flow to your brain, which is key for keeping your brain healthy and sharp as you get older. Finally, let's talk about a drink that's not only tasty and refreshing, but also packed with power to support your brain health. Could this juice help prevent diseases like Alzheimer's? Let's take a closer look. Pomegranate juice is a drink packed with antioxidants that offers several benefits for your brain. One of the most important benefits is that it helps reduce the buildup of plaque in the brain, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. This juice also helps protect brain cells from damage and supports your memory. It may even boost your ability to learn. Research shows that pomegranate juice can lower oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, both of which can contribute to memory problems and other signs of aging in the brain. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly may be a great way to support your brain health over time. Including pomegranate juice in your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to support your brain health. It helps reduce the buildup of harmful plaques that can negatively impact your memory and thinking skills. By making this drink a regular part of your routine, you're promoting better cognitive function and protecting your brain from potential damage. These 5 drinks do more than just hydrate you. They've been shown to help improve brain health and reduce the risk of dementia. By including them in your daily routine, you can support your brain over time. It's never too late to start caring for your mind, and these drinks are an easy and delicious way to do so. The best part? They're simple to add to your day and can help you stay sharp and healthy for the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us for more and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips for keeping your body and mind in great shape. Start drinking to improve your health and boost your brain power for a better, healthier future. Here's to staying sharp and looking forward to a brighter tomorrow.